If you're looking for a quick and easy way to integrate Folk CRM with Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this integration so you can streamline your scheduling and CRM process, saving time and boosting your productivity. First off, if you're not familiar with Folk CRM, it's a customer relationship management tool designed for simplicity and efficiency. It allows you to track and manage customer interactions in a seamless, intuitive way. It's great for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and anyone who needs a powerful yet user-friendly CRM. Now let's talk about Calendly. Calendly is a scheduling tool that automatically allows people to book meetings with you based on your availability, reducing back and forth emails. When you connect Folk CRM with Calendly, you create an integrated system that streamlines both your customer management and scheduling process, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. To integrate Folk CRM with Calendly, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Folk CRM account and go to the integration section. From there, look for Calendly in the list of supported integrations. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you find Calendly, click on it to start the integration. Calendly will prompt you to log into your account, so you'll need your Calendly credentials ready. This will allow Folk CRM to connect to your Calendly account. Once connected, you can customize your settings. For example, you can choose which events or types of meetings you want to sync between the two platforms. This will help ensure that only relevant data is passed between Folk CRM and Calendly, keeping everything organized. Once you've finished setting it up, any meetings booked through Calendly will automatically appear in your Folk CRM. This means you can easily track your interactions and follow up with your clients without missing a beat. It's a powerful way to keep your contacts up to date while also ensuring you never miss an important meeting. This integration helps you avoid the hassle of manually updating your CRM with meeting information. Instead, it happens automatically, freeing up your time so you can focus on more important tasks. Plus, since Calendly helps people schedule with you based on your availability, it ensures your calendar stays organized and avoids overbooking. One of the best parts of this integration is how it helps improve customer communication. When you integrate Folk CRM with Calendly, you can instantly access your meeting history, ensuring you're always prepared when meeting with clients. You'll have key information at your fingertips, whether you're on the phone or in a meeting. If you're new to Folk CRM or Calendly, I recommend starting with the free version of Folk CRM to get familiar with its features. And remember, you can use both Folk CRM and Calendly together for free through the first link in the description, where we've secured an exclusive offer for you. If you're serious about improving your customer relationships and scheduling efficiency, this integration is a game changer. It's an easy setup and a seamless way to streamline your processes, saving you valuable time and effort. And just before you go, don't forget that by following the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial of Folk CRM and exclusive bonuses to help you get started. So if you're ready to take your CRM and scheduling to the next level, don't wait. Integrate Folk CRM with Calendly now and start seeing the benefits right away.